If you are not using the trend trading strategy, then you are leaving a lot of money on the table already, okay? Because this has actually been giving us profits back to back throughout this week. We also experienced the same thing last week, and of course, we're going to be diving into this right now. We'll check each of the assets that we analyzed with this yesterday and 2 days ago and see the outcome of the analysis so that we will know if we are actually making profit with this or not. And I will also use that as an opportunity to explain to you how you too can generate profitable signals like this. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from me, kindly give me a follow right now. I mean, you should subscribe to this channel right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so okay, let me start with gain x 1200 because there is an opportunity there right now, okay, that we can actually grab. Okay, for gain x 1200, yesterday I did an analysis that, okay, we these are actually got into the support region, and we are expecting a long spike trading opportunity. Okay, so I gave us an entry point, and I also gave us a stop loss, okay, which is at the support zone, and I highlighted some TPs for us, and of course TP 1, 2, 3, and I told us these first three TPs are short TPs, but if it breaks out from there, then I expect it to get to the fourth TP, and I also highlight the fifth TP. That is if it breaks out from this particular resistance zone. Okay, so as we can see, it achieved the first TP, achieved the second TP, achieved the third TP, even the fourth TP that is so large, it even achieved it. And after that, it had this pullback but went back up to achieve the fifth TP. This is so amazing and so sweet, guys. And that is why I always tell you that you just need to master this trend trading strategy. Once you get it right and you have a good trading tool like this, I can easily help you to analyze the market in a better way than all is done. Okay, because if you are to use this strategy, you need to be able to identify your trend. When the trend is switching from one trend to another, then the zones, which are the support and resistance zones, you should also know how to set up your trades. Okay, the first three, you must be able to identify them on your own. If you don't know how to, then that is what the indicator is going to do for you. It will help you to know when the market is on uptrend or downtrend, even help you to know when to go into the market. For instance, right here that is showing yellow like this is when the market is on uptrend, and when it was showing red was when the market was on downtrend, just the way we are seeing it right here. So this is how amazing this can be. And of course, this has actually got into the resistance zone at this point. Okay, like I always tell you, you mark out the zone first, okay, then thereafter you wait to see if it will break out above it or not. In this situation, you didn't break out above it. You don't know if it's going to have another pullback that will lead to the breakout. Okay, but if that should did not happen, then definitely this is going to sell for a very long time. Okay, so it has given us a downtrend and a sell signal. So normally this should have been our entry point. But right now that it has actually sold for a while and it's trying to go back on a pullback, I will advise us to wait for the pullback to be over and probably get a sell signal after the pullback. And if that happens within this region, this should be your entry point, and this should be your what was it called? You can turn this as your stop loss. Okay, then you can now have your first TP somewhere here. Okay, now let's see how we can highlight our second TP. So second TP should be around here. Then let's see the third TP. Okay, a third one, fourth, and fifth. Okay, then probably um like I always tell you, I always have a sixth one, okay? And I always love changing the color of that. Okay, so it can be a bit different from the rest. Okay, so the first five are more certain than the sixth one. Okay, so that is very, very important. So that is that. This is a new setup. Let's hope that our entry point will be activated. I'm expecting this to pull back more than this, probably to somewhere here, to somewhere out here, and then it will now go back and activate our entry point. Okay, so that is that. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset. So I'm going to move on to gain next Paynex 1200. Let's check out Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This is another asset which we analyzed yesterday, and I'm really happy this is actually turning out well. Okay, so it activated, it triggered the entry point at this point, and right here happened to be our stop loss. Okay, we had our stop loss at the support zone, and first TP was achieved, second TP achieved, third TP achieved, fourth TP achieved, and even achieved the fifth TP before having a major pullback. The last TP was not achieved yesterday, but after the pullback, it went back again and still bought more. We don't know if it will get to this region or not. Like I always tell you, this is always the last one, and of course it might take some time before it will achieve it, and sometimes it will not achieve it. Okay, but the main ones are the ones in blue, in slate color. Okay, so and that is why we have achieved all that. So all our TPs have been achieved except this. Okay, so let's see if it will still be able to achieve this particular one. Of course, it is still buying, and of course, it's most likely for us to achieve that also. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course, we also analyzed this yesterday. And of course, just the way we have seen it, it activated our entry point, stop loss here, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, now heading towards the fourth TP. If this is achieved, then we will see if it will be able to achieve this last TP. Okay, and that is always the last one. Okay, so it might take some time, but if it achieve it, then it is cool. And if it does not, we have achieved our first 40 Ps, which are very, very certain for us. Okay, so that is so amazing. So this is in big profits already. Okay, so and some others must have as they should be closed by now, okay, except if you did not set your TP very well. Okay, so that is it. Then the last asset which you will be checking out is going to be FX volume 80. Yesterday, I actually did some videos on this particular asset, and of course, it all started from this resistance zone. But because we came in very late, I had to readjust our entry point, and of course the stop loss. So I had to put the stop loss here after the pullback and put our entry point here. It got triggered at this point, and of course achieved the first TP. Thereafter, played around before going back again to achieve the second and the third. Right now, it has achieved the third. I am only hoping that it will achieve this, but it has actually achieved the third, and of course, that is already a good one for us. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, and this is how you can plan your trading activities. Like I said, you just need a good trading strategy for you to start milking the markets like this. Personally, when I came across this strategy, I left every other strategy that I was using in the past because, to be sincere, you bombarding yourself with a lot of strategies can get you confused sometimes, okay, whenever you are analyzing your chart. So I decided to stay focused on this single strategy, and it has been working for me for like 2 years now. I've been using it, and it has been working for me. And this is the only thing I've been using to generate my signals, and it has been really, I mean, it has been giving me so much profit within this period. Okay, so you too can also learn this strategy if this is a strategy you will like to use. Okay, it is so simple and very easy to use. Okay, all you just need to do is just to follow the trends, and of course you make sure you only follow the signal that supports a trend, and also know how to set up your trade. Then once all that is done, then you just relax yourself and allow things to play out. If it's not going to go your way, then it will hit the stop loss, and you will only be you will be taken away from the market with a little loss. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So guys, I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, guys, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel right now so that you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Thank you and God bless you.